Now, if you're running a business nowadays, you have to be intimately familiar with cyber insurance, right? Cyber insurance is pretty much just what it sounds like. This is the portion of an existing insurance policy or an entirely separate insurance policy that will protect your organization in the event of loss due to a cyber incident. This would be something like ransomware, where a hacker puts malicious software onto your network and encrypts a bunch of your data, or some other kind of breach where they break in, they lock a bunch of computers, and they threaten to release it, also trying to extract a ransom from you. Now, these insurance policies will typically come with some lengthy questionnaire about the protections you have in place to help protect against these risks. So make sure that everything that you attest that you're actually doing, because in the event of an incident, the insurer will go through all those controls. And if you haven't actually put the things in place that you claim that you put in place, they're likely going to deny your claim. So while cyber insurance is pretty much table stakes for running a business with any sort of cloud presence today, you make sure you're actually doing the things that they're asking you to do, and they're going to keep you protected in the event that your cybersecurity safeguards don't live up to what you needed them to. Make sure you have your cybersecurity insurance, and also make sure you put all those safeguards in to doubly protect yourself in the event of an incident.